So in today's video, we are going to be reaching another goal on the Gomining platform, but we will get to that a little bit later in the video. The first thing that I want to talk about is the Gomining Academy. As you can see right now, my power is 46.15. This is because I got one free day of mining with this miner and I was able to get 16 terahashes. Actually, I got 2 days. This is the second day that I have activated this miner. The reason why I got 16 free terahashes of mining is because of the Academy. I simply clicked on it, completed this course. It was very quick. Literally, you listen to like 8 videos. They teach you about Bitcoin and all of that stuff. Then you answer some basic questions and you complete the course. And then they're going to send you a certificate just like this one, and then you'll be able to get some free hash rate for a couple of days using your bonus miner in your account. It is literally free Bitcoin. All you gotta do is watch the videos, answer some basic questions, and boom, you'll be able to accumulate some free Bitcoin for a couple of days. So definitely check out the Academy. Also, this is just the beginning. They're going to have a lot more courses that will teach you a lot about Bitcoin and mining, DeFi, and a couple of other things. So in my opinion, this is great, especially for beginners that want to get into crypto mining, that want to start accumulating BTC. You definitely got to check out the Academy. Also, if you're mining Bitcoin on Gomining, the Academy can provide you with some bonus tokens, bonus terahashes that you can use to your advantage. This is a great tool to help you learn about the platform and crypto in general. So I highly recommend it. Right now, they are starting out with the basic information, but I believe over the next couple of weeks, the next couple of months, they're going to be releasing a lot of valuable information that can definitely benefit you. And now let's talk about the goal that we are going to be reaching today. When we press on rewards, you will see our mining rate and the amount of Bitcoin that we are getting every single day. Yesterday, we received the most Bitcoin so far. That was because of the Gomining Academy and me getting some free terahashes for a day. So that is why the number jumped up. But on average, I'm getting around $1.80 worth of Bitcoin every single day. And as you can see on the previous days, it has pretty much been consistent, $1.80 a day. But now when we go back to our mining rigs, we are going to upgrade this miner right here. After clicking on all the other miners, this one for some reason gives me the highest return, and that is the one that I'll be upgrading in today's video. So we are going to press custom upgrade, and then right here we are going to press 9 terahashes. This will give us 4 terahashes worth of power, and it will earn us 53 cents a day instead of 30 cents a day. So we are going to earn an extra 23 cents worth of Bitcoin daily, and that will bring us to our goal of earning $2 a day worth of Bitcoin on the Gomining platform. We have reached another milestone. Next milestone is $5 a day. The faster we upgrade, the faster we build, the faster we are reaching our goals. In the beginning, it does start out slow, but the more you upgrade, the faster it goes. So we are paying 262 Gomining tokens for this upgrade. That comes out to 121 bucks, and the ROI is 42% and some change. So we are going to press next. Obviously, you can use your debit card, your credit card, you can use your Apple Pay, Google Pay to pay for this. Also, if you use this promo code on the screen, you'll get an extra 5% off your miner. So definitely check that code out. But in today's video, we are going to be using the Gomining tokens because we have some in my account, and then we are going to upgrade. So 262 tokens, we're going to press pay. We are going to confirm, and it is upgrading. And as you can see, this miner right now has 9 terahashes in total. We are now officially making over $2 a day on the Gomining platform. As you can see, our efficiency is 20.33 and our discount dropped, but we're going to get it back once we get some more Gomining tokens. So now that we have reached $2 a day, my goal is to grow it even more. And what I will continue to do is by simply upgrading the miners that I currently have. I did upgrade the efficiency on most of them, and I got it down to 15. As you can see, on this one is 15, this one is 15, and this one right here, it was too high already, 27.94, and it didn't make financial sense for me to get it down to 15 while I have all these other miners that are already at 15. So what I decided to do is to simply leave this one as is and then focus my energy and my money on the other miners and get those upgraded. So that is it for this video. If you want to start mining Bitcoin and get daily rewards like this every single day, the link will be in the description box below. I absolutely love this site. It is the easiest way, in my opinion, to start mining some Bitcoin. That is all I got. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Peace out.